friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. Today I will talk about the Dell Alienware x14, the thinnest gaming laptop in Alienware history. Dell introduced the Alienware x14, the thinnest gaming notebook PC in Alienware history at CES 2022. And the LCD panel measures 14-inch Full HD with a refresh rate of 144Hz, and the CPU is 12th generation Core H series, and the GPU is a GeForce RTX 30 series. Additionally, by utilizing a proprietary cooling function dubbed Cryo-Tech cooling technology, it was able to accomplish a 14.5 mm thickness reduction while maintaining great performance. And the CPUs available are the Core i9-12900H and i7-12700H, while the GPUs are the GeForce RTX 3050, 3050 Ti, and 3060. Additionally, the memory is 16 GB LPDDR5 4800 and 32 GB LPDDR5 5200, and the storage is 256 GB 2 TB NVMe M.2 SSD. The external measurements are 321.5 mm wide, 262.7 mm deep, and 14.5 mm tall, and it weighs about 1.798 kg. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.